All right, this is I suppose another level that is crazy. Um, let's not hit the trucks as well, okay? Let's go ahead and try that again. So let's turn to the right and not hit the guy. All right, so now we got to go find our space. Okay, obviously we got to stay hugging to the left because our trailer is not following us perfectly yet. All right. Now chances are you already know what I need to do because you've already clicked on the play button and you know what I need to do. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep going straight, now hard right. Keep going hard right, and let's go hard left and get my trailer pointing towards, ooh, see, it's pointing towards the back of the space. I need it pointing towards here. I should have turned way sooner. So I'm going to go ahead and point my steer straight. It's going to put me into a slight jackknife. And now I'm going to chase. There we go, much better. Okay, probably going too fast. Ooh, missed that guy. Now if I need to do a pull forward, I have this area here. Okay, let's go to the right. Get it spine straight. I think we're good. I might have dipped out. Let's have a look. Am I in? I'm in. Cool.